Pontiac is where true driving enthusiasts turn when they're looking for a vehicle that combines their passion for the road with the demands of their lifestyle. And with the exciting product renaissance that's underway right now at Pontiac, your customers have more choices than ever. From the legendary power of today's GTO to the first ever G6, the impressive handling of Grand Prix, the progressive styling of Solstice, and the incredibly versatile Vibe and SV6, every Pontiac is designed with the driver in mind. So it's no surprise that the 2006 Pontiac Torrent is the SUV that's tailored to the driver. It combines the functionality and capability of a traditional sport utility vehicle with performance, handling, and driver ergonomics that are pure Pontiac. Over the next few minutes, we'll see how Torrent is a true driver's SUV and see where it excels when it comes to design and styling, performance and handling, functionality, safety and security, comfort and convenience, technology, and quality, reliability, and durability. Before we get into the details at each of those areas, let's start with the basics. Torrent is available in two different models, a front-wheel drive model and an all-wheel drive model that delivers all-weather traction automatically on demand. Both models feature the same engine, transmission, and suspension tuning, and offer similar standard and available features. The key difference is in the drive systems. In terms of looks, Torrent features European-inspired styling inside and out. The exterior is clean, contemporary, and sophisticated. Torrent features an aggressive stance based on its long 112-inch wheelbase and classic Pontiac wide-track stance. Up front, you can immediately tell that Torrent is a proud member of the Pontiac family, with its signature twin-port grille that draws the eye to the Pontiac badge. The European-inspired design continues inside with precision-crafted controls and appointments set off by chrome and metallic gray accents. And Pontiac's signature red-backed lighting provides an air of sophistication with a hint of performance that's in keeping with the rest of the Pontiac family. The heart of Torrent's performance is a standard 3.4-liter V6 power plant that puts out 185 horsepower and 210 foot-pounds of torque. The result? Acceleration uncommon for an SUV, with 0 to 60 times in the 8.5-second range. A smooth-shifting 5-speed automatic transmission is also standard. Both front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive Torrent models ride on a standard 4-wheel, fully independent sport-tuned suspension. Precisely tuned variable assist electric power steering and 16-inch aluminum wheels round out the suspension system. And 17-inch flangeless aluminum wheels are also available for an even more aggressive and performance-oriented look. Torrent takes functionality to a whole new level with an optional cargo storage system featuring a multifunctional cargo panel that offers multiple uses. A unique sliding rear seat offers a choice of added legroom or cargo space. A fold-flat front passenger seat provides additional cargo flexibility for longer items and also offers a hard work surface. When it comes to safety and security, Torrent's unibody structure provides an extremely strong and stiff body with effective load paths and crush zones. Anti-lock brakes are standard, and available features like side curtain airbags, OnStar, and more also add to the overall safety of the vehicle. A roomy and spacious interior provides comfort for up to 5 passengers, and plenty of standard comfort and convenience features mean that you'll find power windows and door locks, a remote keyless entry system, air conditioning, tilt wheel, AM/FM radio with CD player, and much more included on every Torrent. A long list of available comfort and convenience features includes leather seat trim, heated front seats that are available with both cloth and leather upholstery, an auto-dimming rear view mirror with temperature and compass, premium audio systems, and much more. When it comes to technology, Torrent also offers leading-edge features like OnStar, XM satellite radio, all-wheel drive, and more. Torrent is designed to offer outstanding quality, reliability, and durability. Features like the refined quiet package include strategically placed insulation throughout the vehicle, and a carefully designed sealing strategy means that Torrent is exceptionally quiet on the road. Long life maintenance features also contribute to the ease of ownership. It all adds up to an exceptional driving experience. But then again, what would you expect from a Pontiac? And now that we've teased you with a glimpse of what makes Torrent a true driver's SUV, let's dive deeper into the details.